Hello, hello, hello. Alrighty. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright. I had to make sure. I just accidentally showed some stuff. Let's see. Looking my scan here. This is my scan. I'll just go through it. This is my morning watch list routine. Usually I don't go to this tab, but I'll show you guys my criteria I look for. On the ask, minimum of $1, max of 50. Volume, minimum of 1 million. Previous close price below $100, and a market cap below $1 billion. Scan, boom, boom. Alright. And then I use it over here, ARBB. We're looking for something that fits my criteria to trade, which is at least up 50% on the day for a short trade. Alright, this one looks decent. We'll add it to it. VC, no. I'm just looking right here, the price difference. That looks like it's about a 50% gain. Or almost 100% gain. CMBM, but that's a day 2. It's already in the watch list. That's what we traded yesterday. Alright, so we'll go over both of them. What's the news on VCIG? Oh yeah, when did they release that news? Because just got a time. $4:30. Okay, yeah, so that's why that jumped. So they got some good news. They're probably looking to dump all their shares, them dudes that got in after hours. I mean, that's what I would do. CMBM. I got in right here, short trade, risking off this halt area, and then I got out down in here for a quick 1 to 5, maybe a 2 to 1 risk reward trade. So it wasn't the best. I missed my entry right here before the halt down. Accidentally had a buy order set up, so by the time I switched it to a short, it was already halted down and I missed it. And then I kind of went crazy in after hours, and I don't want to touch it again after that. It's a green day, and it's after hours. It's not a day 1. That was midday. Kind of held up late at night, early morning. Then it's kind of been holding this area right here, this channel, definitely from down here. The 507s, 527s, 560, and let's see how the 580s hold up. Oh, we're actually at 570 now. Yeah, this one looks decent. I'll mark it up. all of these lines correspond. Most of them do. At least this top 560 area does. Corresponds with some after hours support. So maybe I will put that one in. There we go. Alright, so yeah, it'll stay on the watch list, but this is what we're looking at for today. Since this one gapped up after hours, I will make this one that's gold, and we'll do like a thick dash line for roughly the previous close price. I don't care exactly, but so I know that if I get in at like 370 short and it starts going down, well, it's probably not going to go all the way to the previous close. It'll probably hover in like the 240s, 260s if it crashes. So I want to be able to have a reasonable area to get out if I'm letting it, like if it's going good. So that way I don't get too greedy. I take profits before it could possibly turn around on me. We don't have this. This is gonna be ECIG or longer. Use high. Usual gap and crap play. Let's look at the news again. Oh, this CMBM. CMBM, that was the integration with Starlink, yeah. Here, we'll probably check this one out. It's launching some token. Q1. GUUGL. I didn't realize Google had a 5-letter ticker. Yeah, Q1 launch, so might be gassing itself up a little bit too early. I'm gonna try and locate some shares. Let's see, let's finish building this first. Shares 1.4. 75.5 time on the float rotation. Ba ba ba. Industrials. Oh yeah, I guess I shouldn't have put the 1 in then. 2, boom, CMBM. CM, no BM. Boom, boom, boom. Percentage unknown, not gonna calculate it. Watch day 2 action. And the rest of it, I'm not really worried about because I'm not gonna trade it, but I want to document it. At least be in the know. Alright. 3.63 minus 1.8 divided by 1.8 times 100. Yeah, 101.6. File, save. Alright, I'm gonna try and locate some shares. I'm gonna pause the screen so my account info doesn't get shown. Alright, what's going on, chat? I see we got a viewer. I was just locating some shares. I see the viewer's gone now as soon as I try to talk to him. Well, hope you have a good day. We're looking at VCIG if you are back, but let's see, open this up so I can see a little bit better. Oh. Previous close. We don't want that at all. Feedback. No, boom, boom. Alright, so we're looking at VCIG. I did locate CMBM too as well. Well, we'll make these ones blue. And dash. Damn, I gotta get that alarm. Alright, I got the alarm. Make this dashed. Alright, and then these ones will make do purple. Purple ones, so I know that if it's getting close to the purple ones, then I should probably think about selling the dash blue line, definitely, because that's some like daily chart resistance from way back here where it's kind of consolidated above that 230 range. Is that even the 270s up here? So those are areas that it'd be probably nice to get out of. I got 600 shares located of BCIG. Let's just document 600, and I did locate 300 of CMBM. Alright, how's it going today, anybody? Chat. Let's take a look at this. Alright. Boom, boom. We gotta get TradingView operational. So I gotta pause the Alright, everything's Gucci. And we also have CMBM. Here, we're gonna pull this up. Let's do that. Boom, boom. Alright, that ends the watch list stream. I'm gonna start the live stream. And the reason I'm doing that in two separate videos is so that they log as two separate videos.